Phuket Farm welcomes you all. Open every day from 9 till 5. A place to explore, a journey to recall, a taste of tradition, come feel it alive. Try tin panning, feel the thrill. Stroll through the pineapple field, what a delight. Can't stay still, there's more to see. Meet our buffaloes, thong suk chuk Rambo white. Step back in time, a farm so grand, living the old ways of this land. Phuket's more than sea, sun and sand. Walk the rice fields, watch the farmers craft, see the herbs and veggies grow. Limes and bergamot, healing blends of the past, wisdom passed down long ago. Step back in time, a farm so grand, living the old ways of this land. Phuket's more than sea, sun and sand. Next, explore the old Thai house. Watch how rice was milled before, pounding grains, winnowing light, a taste of life in days of yore. Feeling hungry? The kitchen calls. Coconut milk and curry paste blend, spices rise in the scent so strong, a southern feast with flavors to send. Head around Khao, our dining place, sip young coconut, taste the grace, or let the scent of tea and coffee lure you in with warmth and glee. Phuket's finest, so much to try, local dishes, Thai or worldwide. Step back in time, a farm so grand, living the old ways of this land. Phuket's more than sea, sun and sand. Step back in time, a farm so grand, living the old ways of this land. Phuket's more than sea, sun